Akashvani Imphal Nayani Devi na pau pajari ahanbada maruai pa pau Sangbidan Divas Laibaki atay maphamsing da pangthok abagum Manipur da su ngasi mapham kaya da pangthok nari National Highway 37 Imphal jiribam lambi da ngarang pochai pubagari chawum ni phumanga Imphal tamna changlakre Manipur Sangai Festival lisangani kun manga ngasi numit tarung ni suba numita ahum suba Manipur Tourism Congress hawdok lagani amasung Hyderabad laiba MGMR Aerospace and Industrial Park ta nauna sengwatpa Safran Aircraft Engine Services India Pradhan Mantri nangasi video conferencing ki khutangda sangaragani Sangbidan Divas Laibaki atay maphamsing da pangthok na bagum Manipur da sungasi mapham kaya da pangthok nari mapungwai ba tahram Imphal gi Palace compound da laiba MSFDS ki Palace Auditorium da Rajapal Ajay Kumar Bhalana hudokhi
The people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all
Hamara Sangbidan Hamara Swabhiman aipa campaign asida Raja Sabha gi MP le sembasana jawba hanagi Mukhyamantri N Biren MLA Singh Karam Syam Khasim Basum Basanta Kumar Asapuddin Ibomja amadi sarkar gi makok thongbo official sing saruk yari thauram dugo mari lenana minute mari sangba Bharat Sangbidan gi matangda documentary film amsu utki thauram asi Manipur University gi law department da su pangthokli thauram aduda university asi Vice Chancellor Professor Naurem Lokendra Singh Sarukyari Sangbidan Divas ki Tauram Raja ki District Headquarters Singh Subdivisional Headquarters Singh Amati School Singh da so pak sana pangthoknari BJP Manipur Pradesh na sindunanga si Sangbidan Divas ki Tauram Imphal gi nitai pa chuchek ta leiba Thambal Sanglen da pangthokli Tauram da dol gi karyakata Singh Sarukyari High Court of Manipur, Bar Council of Manipur, High Court Bar Association Manipur, Manipur Judicial Academy amasung All Manipur Bar Association ga punna kusam naduna humphudra taruk suba Sangbidan Divas numit High Court of Manipur gi auditorium da pangthokli thauram adu wa ngangwada High Court of Manipur gi Chief Justice M Sundarna High
As responsible citizens, it is our duty to protect the spirit of the Constitution. This does not require grand gestures. It simply means following the law, respecting others' rights, participating in democratic process, standing against injustice, and contributing to the progress of society. Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of the age. Unquote. On this special day, may we all carry forward that spirit with commitment, with responsibility, and with pride.
Thauram aduda High Court of Manipur gi Justice A. Bimal Singh, Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma, Manipur Judicial Academy gi Director Justice Golmari Gaiful Silu Kabui, Manipur gi Advocate General Lenin Hijam Singba Sarukyari, Akashvani Imphal su Sangbidan Divas Thaurangba Mari Lainana, Akashvani Imphal gi Director Engineer Nomaitem Nanda Kumar na Luching Duna Punna Wasak Luminaki. National Highway paring da pochai pubagari sing security force ki akan chekchil tharangal oinana leptana pusilakli Manipur Police Control Room da thokpa cherol amada hai National Highway 37 Imphal jiribam lambi da ngarang pochai puba gari chauhum ni pumanga Imphal tamna changlakre makhata na gari chathok chachinda ayat apan leitanaba highway gi tongan tongan mapam singda security force ki kamboi singna checksin na ngak seli cherol asina makhata na hai Manipur gi tongan tongan mapam sing maruoina chinga taina ba mati rang thokan ba mapam singda lepa leitana thibo humba gi thabak chathari ngarang su Churachandpur jila gi Gelmol village dagi security force na yamlapa kuchukulai kaya phagat ki Kangpokpi jila gi manung chanba Gelbung umangi saruk dagi su security force na ngarang tongan ba kuchukulai kaya marum phagat ki atopa thaudok amadana Kangpokpi jila gi Kangchup police station gi manung chanba Songlung village area dagi ngarang security force na bom yauna kuchukulai kaya phagat pangam ki Amaromda Imphal West Jila gi Wangoi Police Station gi manung chanba Chandra Nadi lamkhai dagi Raija Police na KCP PWG gi mioi ama phagatle tabiri ba paw si Akashbani Imphal dagi ni Manipur Sangai Festival lisingani kun manga ngasi taruk ni suba numita ahum suba Manipur Tourism Congress hogdok lagani masida Manipur Tourism gi matangda khai akhanga ahi singna wangangani masida sunatana IATO amadi APOA gi mihut kangbu singna tourism gi matangda kanagadabo wafung kaya su phongdokani amadi Manipur gi leijari ba stakeholders singa su wafung kaya khanagani numit humni chumna sathagadaba Manipur Tourism Congress asigi manungda Imphal Peace Museum, Red Hills, INA, Kaibul Lamjau National Park, Sendra, Loktak Pat, Govindaji Mandir, Kangla Fort, Ima Kaithel, Amadi, Polo Statue na Chingbam Bapam Singda, Taurum Kaya Pangtokani, Amaromda, Mapungway Batauram Pangtokbam Uribe, Palgi, Takang Jaybung Manaki Botangasi, Numidang Pung Mangadagi, Tawal Jagoy, Baram Traditional Dance, Tang Tamasu, Rongmai Traditional Dance na Chingbok Undaba, Taurang Tauri, Hata Kangjay Bungdana Kabui folk song amasung jagoy folk fusion music amasung moirang parbaw abat harang tauri Khuman Lampak Sports Complex ta leiba kang sangda Manipur gi ariba masana kang sanagani MSFDS ta nangasi documentary Manipuri film Kwathap Phamkaba Manipuri feature film Una Utkani Imphal ge classic grande da ngasidagi ahum suba Manipur Tourism Congress hauragani iboyaima sumang lila sanglendana sana king amasung nungsi charong haiba sumang kumhai sing utkani Hyderabad ta laiba GMR Aerospace and Industrial Park ta nauna sengwatpa Safran Aircraft Engine Services India Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi na ngasi video conferencing gi khutangda sangaragani Pradhan Mantri Office ki pauna hai ngasi sangaga dauriba facility asida aeroplane ga mari leinana nauna semjin chajan bagi thabakta hena khudung chahalagani Masi Global Engine Original Equipment Manufacturer na aha Bharata ihana hala linkhatpa facility ni facility asina Bharat ki aviation sector bu maromdom lepcha pangamhana bagi khongjangda chauna mateng panglagani Mayai lambi haina khangnaba National Highway 138 egi lambi da athingba thamlamba du matam khargi oina handokle haina mayai lambi apunba lum malana phongdorakli lupasina thokpa cherol amada hai matam sangna sembiraktabana maram oiraga mayai lambi sigi pifam pattaba sigi yenglaga lupasina lambi asi thingba thamlubani adomoina mak Imphal West ki DC PWD ki official sing yauna phangkiba mipamna athuba matam da lambi semba horagani aina thajaba pirakpadi khongthang asi laurakpani ningsing bayai principal secretary works na sabapati oiduna ngarang phangkiba mipamna mayai lambi National Highway 138 egi matangda wafam kaya khanakibani National Highway Division number 1 PWD Manipur gi executive engineer na thokpa cherol amana hai Imphal West ki deputy commissioner PWD gi officer sing contractor singi mihut sing amasung mayai lambi apun baluki mioi singa ngasi mifam ama pangthokki aroibada maruiba paw mohanna Samvidhan Divas Laibaki Atai Mapam Singda Pangthong Nabagum Manipur da Sungasi Mapam Kaya da Pangthong Nari National Highway 37 Imphal Jiribam Lambi da Ngarang Pochai Puba Gari Chahum Nipum Anga Imphal Tamna Changlakre Manipur Sangai Festival Singani Kun Mangang asi Numitarung Isuba Numita Ahum Suba Manipur Tourism Congress Hogdok Lagani Amasung Hyderabad Laipa GMR Aerospace and Industrial Park ta Nauna Segbatpa Safran Aircraft Engine Services India Pradhan Mantri Nangasi video conferencing Kutangda Sangaragani Paulo Jare.